big flood here. The culprit looks like it was the supply line. There's a hole right there. It was coming through right there. See the hole? Yeah, so it's spraying out of that hole right there. These are trash supply lines anyway. Alright, and then so I turned the water off to that. So we're gonna go ahead and put new supply lines in, replace the sink as well, because it was also leaking. Alright, so let's get rid of all that. Alright, so we took the old faucet out. It was also leaking. There it is. You see there's still a lot of water with that. It's really leaking bad out of the pipes. I don't know who put these pipes in, but they really kind of weird alignment. Alright. 7%, got it. Alright, so we got that installed. We're gonna now put the supply lines in. Another thing to note is the floor is come up from all the water. Flooring is now not adhesed to the wood floor anymore. It's just bouncing around. See, it all needs to come up now. All right, let's get these supply lines in, and then we can see what's up. All right, there's the hot water. Sprayer. Cold, good to go. It's fine. Let's look for any leaks now. All right. My only concern was here. Well, the other second concern I had was whether this was leaking also, but it doesn't look like it is. Looks like it was just that supply line, like I said. These seem to be holding fine. Just let me dry it up, make sure nothing dripping nowhere. All right, let's check. Yeah, it feels good. No, yep, no water. Let's look from behind. It's dry. Yep, it's dry now. It's good. Same over here, good. Alright, so with the other sink in Griffin, the upper, the handle doesn't work right. It doesn't give, it's, the valve is busted in there, so we're going to replace that all the way. Got a new one here, ready to go. Alright, new faucets installed, nice and solid. Let's get the water on. Water on. Looks like that's leaking too. Let's tighten that up a little bit. Alright, let's do one more test. Looks like it's alright now. It was really loose though. But I don't see any drip anymore. Fire lines look good, no leaks. Holding up, okay. And underneath it looks good. Alright, good to go. Alright, so here we are at the bottom level. That one doesn't work anymore. Sprayer don't work. It's hot cold, so we're going to replace it with a brand new one. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's get the water off first. Alrighty. And we got a couple connections to take apart here. Alright. Let's get busy. Alright, so we got them in there in the slots. We're going to go ahead and lock them down now. Here we go. Okay. Bring it on up. Alright, so let's get him on up there. Shoot, it's hard to hold this camera and do this. Alright, so hand tighten them. Okay. Next. Make sure we got that one in there. Oh, shoot. Not much I can do about it. Alright, let's see how it looks up here. Alright, let's bring it right about there. Alright. So wrench, crank him down. Start cranking them down. Alright, give that a tightening. There we go. Let's tighten this one. Tighten this one. Tighten that one again. Perfect. Connect the sprayer. We are then gonna put the supply line on next. Alright, that's connected. Supply lines, here we go. On up we go. Hand tighten first. Alright. Hand tighten. Alright, let's get my wrench right there. In addition, I found out they didn't have their hot water tank on, so they had no hot water to sink once I got the faucet on. So I went ahead and lit it. As you can see, it's ready to go. And we got about an hour. Just lit. You'll be getting hot water everywhere in a minute. That's good. That's what we want to solve. Get you the hot water. Sprayer. Perfect. You're all set. Final leak check. No drips. Looks good.